Your favorite online game shuts down its official servers or locks features behind arbitrary walls, your first instinct as a player is not to quit, but to adapt. You start hunting through obscure internet forums and private Discord channels, looking for custom player-run servers. In those underground digital hubs, you cross paths with veteran modders who do not just play games, they rewrite their code. To join these exclusive private networks, you are forced to configure port forwarding, edit host files, and bypass network restrictions on your router. Without realizing it, your drive to preserve your gaming experience just gave you your first hands-on lesson in practical network administration. Modding single-player games introduces you to a whole new layer of curiosity, unpacking raw file formats to extract hidden assets or change game rules. You download memory editing tools like Cheat Engine to inspect dynamic RAM allocations and manipulate in-game variables in real time. Zero shows you how anti-cheat systems scan active memory addresses, explaining that modern security tools use those exact same detection mechanics. Finding memory offsets to bypass client restrictions teaches you buffer management, memory space structure, and executable hooking. What started as wanting infinite gold in a video game has silently transformed into fundamental reverse engineering skills. When client-side tricks no longer work on server-authoritative games, gamers shift focus to network traffic flowing across their connection. You set up packet capture software to inspect the raw data sent between your computer and distant multiplayer servers. Zero explains that unencrypted game telemetry is structurally identical to vulnerable API endpoints used by corporate databases. You are no longer just a player pressing buttons. You are an analyst observing data move across the global internet. Private Discord communities act as decentralized research labs, where self-taught coders share custom scripts and security tools. Navigating these spaces teaches you how to vet suspicious binaries, spot social engineering tricks, and run isolated testing sandboxes. Zero warns that the line between curious gamer and malicious operator often comes down to ethics and understanding authorization. You begin compiling your own custom tools, converting repetitive manual exploits into efficient, automated Python scripts. The core drive of a competitive gamer is min-maxing, finding every possible advantage within the boundary of system rules. Cybersecurity operates on that exact same philosophy, breaking down complex software to see where assumptions fail. When you view software not as a black box, but as a collection of bypassable rules, you have officially transitioned from consumer to security researcher. Gaming does not just entertain you, it trains your brain to question systems, reverse mechanics, and build tools that master the digital world.